Okay, let's dive into activating your intuition for some rapid manifestation.
So the first question is, are you really ready to see your world differently?
We're talking about your third eye. Think of it as the gateway to your inner wisdom.
When it's blocked, you feel stuck. But when it's activated, you get clarity and purpose. But before you can open that channel, preparation is absolutely key.
These simple steps just signals to your body that it's time to turn inward.
All right, ready for the core method? Let's get into the actual practice. This whole sequence is just a gentle way to stimulate the center of your intuition.
It's like they say, right? Where your attention goes, the energy is going to follow.
To start, just try holding this focus for at least 60 seconds. That's all. And as you do this, you might just start to feel a kind of warmth expanding.
And this part is so important. Don't force anything. Just observe what happens.
So, what can you actually expect after you activate it? What are the benefits?
Well, you get more clarity, a stronger intuition, and you just feel more aligned. And that alignment is the real foundation for consciously creating your reality. So, it really leaves you with one big question. What reality are you going to create?